If you are subscribed here, I thank you. You should have hit that bell notification. You would have got notified in my last video. If you're new here, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because I put out a video not too long ago about not receiving my Apple credit card or the Apple card. Well, lo and behold, on a rainy night here in Texas, I got the email and I was able to finally activate the Apple card. Now, I know you guys are hearing a lot of stuff on YouTube and online about people saying, don't get the Apple card, it's not good, the rewards are not good. Well, I'm here to tell you, if you own Android or Windows, probably not a good idea because it's not gonna work on those devices. But if you're a person that owns a lot of Apple devices, you've got Apple iPhones, you've got iPads, you've got Macs, why not? It costs you nothing to apply, costs you nothing to have it in your Apple Wallet, so why wouldn't you have it? In case you ever need it, it's there. In case you ever need the cash back, it's there. So I say, if you have Apple devices, why not? It's very easy to load and install. It'll work on your Apple Watch and everything else. What I've done is I went ahead and made a lot of screenshots showing you guys the whole setup process, and I'm still waiting on my titanium physical card. So as soon as that comes in, I'll go ahead and do another video for you guys showing you more of what I think on it. The email that said, welcome to Apple Card. And so basically that email had the link that takes you to the Wallet app. When you get to the Wallet app, it's almost the same way you would do any other credit card for Apple Wallet. You're gonna hit the continue under Apple Pay. Then it's gonna give you the choice. It's gonna give you credit or debit or Apple Card. So then you wanna choose Apple Card. It says, a new kind of credit card designed for iPhone and a healthier financial life with unlimited daily cash. And then it gives, of course, the bank, Goldman Sachs. Scroll the next one, it's gonna give you the information that Apple pulls from your Apple ID. So make sure this information is correct. If you need to fix it, you can fix it here. Then it's gonna confirm your address. Now, after it confirms your address, there's gonna be two ways that it's gonna try to verify you. One is your last four of your social security number. The second, it might ask you for your driver's license, the front and back, and you'll scan those in like you would any other credit card. That is just in case. For me, I just had to do my last four of the social and that was it. And accept the card terms that you have to do on any credit card. So there's no difference on this for any credit card. You scroll down, it'll give you all the fees and so forth, all the way down. It's a long list. You accept, and say agree. At that point, Goldman Sachs, which is the bank, will go ahead and they'll do a soft credit check on you. And at that time, they'll give you either an approved with a credit limit and also an APR percentage. And then it might, and only might, give you a decline, depending on how your credit score is, depending on how you are with credit. But not likely. Most people are getting accepted and most people are getting approved. So just be aware of that. Don't worry about how much your credit limit is. As long as it's not $200, which is what Chase usually gives me, it's a good number. It's gonna ask you, do you wanna use this as a default card? Now here's where I recommend, if you buy a lot of apps, you buy a lot of music, you buy a lot of things in the App Store, you'll wanna have this as your default card because as those payments automatically go through, you get that 3% automatically. If you don't wanna use this default, you can always change this. You're gonna get the confirmation that the card's been added. And then it'll give you more ways to pay. This is the new titanium Apple card. This one only earns you 1% right now. They might change that, they might update it, who knows. But you can go ahead and you can apply for it right here. You can confirm your address so it gets delivered. It's gonna be usually 6 to 8 days, but it could be sooner. And then that's it. Once you did all that stuff, it'll show up in your Apple Wallet. You can also link your bank account from the Apple Cash card that you already have. That's a breeze. I didn't have to copy anything. I just linked it directly from there. So that's pretty much the setup, how you set up the Apple card on your phone itself. Now, once the physical card comes in, I'll go ahead and show you that easy setup for that one. Then basically, once you have it and once you know your credit limit, now you got to decide, okay, so what do I want to start using it on? And you can use it as your default major primary card, or you can use it as a secondary, or you can use for whatever you want. That's why I recommend go ahead and get it, because it's going to cost you nothing. And you might as well have it. And at least having it, you have that number and everything secure. Well, I hope you guys learned a lot in this video, and hopefully you get that email notification or acceptance. If not, probably by mid-August or so, or maybe even September, you'll see the Apple Card show up in your Apple Wallet. You can click there and you can go ahead and you can apply for it. Beyond that, guys, as soon as my physical card comes in, I will give you another video on that. I thank you guys for watching here, and I hope you learned a lot.